welcome to Dermacure. It's Eleonora here, and today I would like to show you how I will remove a fungal infection from a toenail. I will be using the World Cleaning Harmony Excel Pro Laser, and I'll be using two hand pieces. The treatment involves two steps. The first step is to use the KTP hand piece, which is my clear lip hand piece, kind of like warm up the area, the nail, and then with the second hand piece, which is 1064 long pulse NDR laser, I will be going more over the area, and in this way I'll completely destroy it. What exactly the laser does with the fungal infection, it kind of heat it until destroy it. It's recommended to do few sessions every couple of weeks, every 2 weeks, because it's really it's really important to kind of like follow up. You can, during that time, you can use some kind of like cream for fungus as well, which helps a lot. But honestly, from my own opinion, after the second session, pretty much the fungal infection is gone. The area, usually with Clinicept, so I'm wiping that before the procedure and after the procedure to remove any bacteria. Make sure that everything is clean, the area is clean, as I said. So we'll do that. Just remove that. Obviously the client will come with clean feet. Okay, so we can see that. Okay, so yeah, so that's fine. And we can see that even from the fungal, we can see how the nail has curved, so it's really painful. It's kind of like ingrown now, which is very, very painful, but that will also change after the treatment. Yeah, great. I'm using my clear lip hand piece and KTP attachment, 3 millimeters. So I'm gonna go over the area. On the actual fungal, so we can see them. So we can see them. It's not that bad. It's okay. It's not that bad. So we will do like, look, one pass, second pass, third pass. So I may do a few more passes. Like, it really depends how much I feel that she would need. Done. Probably about 7 or 8 passes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I have put my LP EAC, which stands for long pulse EAC laser. That it's 1064, but it's long pulse, and I usually use that one for like veins, or like veins that are quite visible on the face as well, like single thread veins. So I will basically go over the same areas like I did, the nails, and basically will kind of try to further burn the actual fungal. So I will start with 150 microjoules and 30 hertz, and I will gradually increase to 200. So let's see how she feels with it. Okay. So you can come close now. Okay, so let's do here first. How is that? No problem? No pain? My tip is special for fungal, that warm up the area and kind of destroy any bacteria, fungus, any kind of microbes on the area I'm going over. pain? Okay, literally going over the area again and again. Good. Next one. Okay, so yeah, just go over and over and over. If she starts feeling a little bit of heat, I need to give her a few seconds break, and then I'll carry on again and come closer. One. Hold on, give it. Okay. I'll just increase the edge settings a bit. Just go here first. No pain, she said, no heat, nothing, which is fine. Okay. Okay, no problem. No. She started feeling a little bit. I give her break. So you can do multiple passes. Make sure that you kind of like destroy the fungus. So we go over the area. Okay. So my recommendation now, the aftercare after that treatment, removal fungus with laser, is to make sure that she doesn't wear very tight shoes. She uses some fungal cream on daily basis, and also she can use some cream for fungal infection, like a powder in her shoes as well. Yeah, and then she needs to repeat that treatment every 2 to 3 weeks. Recommended course of let's say at least 4 sessions is better, but honestly, from my own opinion, from my own experience, 2 to 3 treatments are more than enough. So of course we need to make sure no covering of the nails, so no nail polish for sure. So during those treatments, no nail polish at all on the nails. It's better not to just keep it like, you know, completely uncovered. And that's it really. So I wait for her to come in a couple of weeks time to carry on with her sessions. And like I'm so kind of excited to share more videos with you, educational one. I spend loads of time, like long time, to kind of edit them and you know, work on them. So please guys, support my channel. I wish you all very best, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much, and I love you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.